This training is simply to show how the virtual tour feature is used within the My Council framework. Let's do the basics. Let's get logged in and let's get to a page that we will have created before in the standard way. In this case, the example page is called virtual tour. It could be parish tour, it could be anything really, but essentially list a page, add a page, create a page, select the widget called Parish Virtual Tour, or Virtual Tour as it may be in the future. Okay, once we're in, we're going to need to collect some data. We have the points of interest around our town, parish, area, etc., etc. Go to Google Maps, search for the location of interest, and I use the Street View man, so the man that you can drag from the bottom right hand corner normally. When you grab hold of him or her, I guess, or it, whatever we were going to call it, basically a little yellow person that you can then drag onto the blue lines that appear on the map. And all you're looking for here is that when you grab the person, some blue line is available close to where you want to do a virtual tour of. Having established, say, this point here, the little yellow man's just above a roundabout. What I then did was drop him back down to where it was, not drop on the location, but just kind of cancel that, and then right click the same location, and the top two numbers will give you the latitude and longitude of that location. After that, it's simply a matter of setting the heading, and you think north as 0 or 360 degrees, then east will be 90 degrees, south will be 180 degrees, and of course west will be 270 degrees. So just enter the direction you would be looking, the heading you would be looking in, to see the actual thing that you want to see in the virtual tour, the start of that virtual tour if you like. Next is the pitch, and pitch simply means, am I looking down at the ground, minus 90 degrees, or am I looking straight up in the air, plus 90 degrees? Most of the time we're looking straight ahead, so 0 degrees. Okay, with those pieces of information entered, we simply select the colour we want the pin to be, and having entered a few of these, as you can see is the example here from Greenham Parish, there's a good half a dozen or more there. You can see the map that then appears on the page that they created. They are colour coded to represent the different types of thing going on there, whether it's a school, a green space, a memorial, etc., etc. And when you click each pin, the associated street view or virtual tour, if you like, will appear on the right of the screen. If you're in mobile view, it will generally appear below. And that's it. You have the ability to create your own map of or virtual tour of your community, town, parish, county, whatever you want really. Thanks, hope that was clear. Contact us at support if you need any more help. Thank you.